low. So I'll do my best. So the green bean, even though it's dry, it still has, it will have moisture in it. And wood, timber, everything has moisture in, and an ambient, if you like. As this gets hotter and hotter and hotter, eventually that moisture turns into a vapor, steam, and that then breaks through the bean cells, and you hear a crackling sound like popcorn, and that is called first crackle. Then as the roast continues, the kaffir oils will also then start to vaporize and do the same thing, and that's called second crackle. Depending on what you want out of your roast, in my opinion, if you've got to second crackle, you've ruined the bean and burnt all the character out of it. So it's then trying to go through the first crackle, roast enough and stop to still retain the character of the